Hans, do you know a quick way of making a program that plays Ode to Joy?
It's easy to play.
Okay,
Let's try it.
It's a strategy.
It's worth a try. Stop there, and because we don't want to type the entire
You guys can see my strategy program.
We're writing a song.
I just want to make the delay like 1 and then I'll start. Delay like here it is. 1. That's good. The range, it's so, because on sub keys you have to click it like twice before it does it.
On faster computers it works this fast, but on these computers here it's too slow.
What if I try this in my dad's office? His computer's 100 megahertz, would that work?
Oh, it'd be super fast.
Yeah. I'll have to make the delay 100 again.
Do I
The delay is like
piano
1 right
here?
now.
I don't know.
Hope I do. I want to try it out. You know, take out all the delays of the 100 megahertz.
I'm not gonna even get a have a delay for goodness sakes. Hey, I know. How about 0.1? This is gonna be fun.
So Sky, what are you working on there?
Well, I'm doing this thing that the computer, guesses your number. You see, like, my number was 17, your number was 17. The computer guessed it. And you see, now you pick a number from 1 to 31, and then you press enter if it's in that one. Enter, you press 1, then enter if it's on that line, and you press 2 for no, then enter if it's on, like, that line or the next one. I'm going to pick 14, so I'm going to put yes, and then no, and then yes. Did I pick 13? I think I did. And then yes, no, and then you do that, and the answer 13.
The computer gets it all right every single time, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And
It sucked up the mouse, oh my goodness. The mouse has been sucked up by the eating blob. Ah, I don't know what to do, I don't know.
Yeah, that's the problem with the mouse. It has to be redrawn. And
Oh, where'd the mouse go, Hans? I wonder. Look, it's eating blob. Ah! What do you want to see?
This is what it does, and we're trying to make that disappear when you moved the mouse on this. And
you changed the background too, didn't you? So it doesn't keep on redrawing like it did before.
yeah, and there used to be a trail on it, and we took the trail off so it looks better. Then you can just click on each key with the mouse, and it'll play the key. And then we've even got an exit box right here, and you just click on that, and the program stops.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm making this thing where the computer counts from 1 to 1,000, and I tested without these little marks, percent signs, and now I'm gonna see what it does with them and see if it goes any faster.
Okay. What do you notice?
Faster.
This thing is slow.
Faster?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, fast.
No, I just wanted to make sure my deal works.
So, I mean, you've been in this class for a long time now, haven't you?
Yeah. Huh? That's all. This is screen 1. Then I was gonna add one so that it would come like that too. And then I was gonna put one in the middle like that so there'd be one like this. But it'll take a while to make though. You have to put in every line command because every time this moves down and this moves over.
Okay.
Oh, dang, not again. It's a lot cooler when I have a computer that has lots of colors.
So you messed it up. Yeah, look, David, watch.
This isn't Bouncer.
That's bouncing.
No. Do you have my original Pong?
It's going to be an adventure game that you do.
Go to a different drive.
It would work on any of these computers in the lab because I'm just doing a screen one with the color statements to get a background and a different palette than the four original colors: black, actually the background color, cyan, magenta, and white. On this one, it's red. Green, red, and brown.
What grade are you in right now?
I'm in 4th grade.
And how long have you been programming?
Well, I've been programming a lot. We have a real old computer at home. I was really excited about programming things on it, and one time my dad took me down there, and I started liking programming more and more. So now, kind of,
This is a fake DOS program, and it doesn't run any drives or anything. And you can open up file, and you can run QBasic, do directories, clear the screen, delete everything, go to A drive, go to B drive, go to C drive, use the help, exit, and QBasic. Well, supposedly QBasic.
I told you something.
That's about it.
I've learned about a lot of new languages like C and Forth and QBasic. I've learned a lot more about QBasic. And I started working with PowerBasic a bit. And pretty consistently I've been coming home with about a new command each day that I've learned. And it's been pretty fun.
Just all the basic commands that he's taught. You could probably look through all these nice things. It's a mix between two programs I've already made. One is a blinking eye type program. That's just all it really is. Blinking eye using random numbers. And it's basically the same program that you see, only I incorporated a small little cylinder drawing type program. You give it some parameters. That's a little small. I can draw it up again. Same sort of thing. And
I've been in this class since I was in 4th grade, which is, I think, the longest person ever. And I've learned a lot about computers and stuff. It's fun. What we were doing is, my first year, we programmed in a very old version of BASIC, known as GW Basic, and it was pretty hard to use, not very user-friendly, but it's very old, so it's okay. Then we moved to something called QBasic, made by the same company, which is Microsoft, one of the greatest companies in the world, and it's a lot easier to use. It's got a blue screen instead of a black screen, which makes it more user-friendly and stuff. Well, actually it's just got menus, that's what makes it user-friendly. Just the blue screen looks a little better, I think. And it's also got more capabilities, such as instead of maybe 5 colors or so, you can get up to 256 colors. Or you could get a really high resolution you could not achieve in GW Basic, simply because it's old. And anyways, after moving through QBasic, I think our first or second year with it, we created this program. It had a little stick figure, moving around and jumping. It had wind pushing him in one way and gravity pulling him down. And all you could do is move him around. It had a little background, that's about it. Wasn't all that great, but it was okay. Considering I was in either 4th or 5th grade then, I think. Then in 6th grade, then also in 5th grade, I think, we started with another programming language known as C, but we abandoned that because it was beyond most people. In 6th grade, we had Basic again, and I started my Pong program, which is probably my biggest achievement of all time. Okay, most biggest, I know it's improper English, but oh well. Anyways, then we went into it, and now this year we're doing more QBasic, and we're just programming our programs, and it's fun.
Oh, that's right. Just slow it down.
What did he do?
Magnificent, bouncy ball, non-disappearing ass. It's pretty cool. That one changes colors all the time, and then there's like that one. It changes colors whenever it hits the side. It'll change colors by one.
Yes. Isn't this so amazing?
Jonathan, just hold yourself in front of the camera. Jonathan, you're on camera. Oh. Guys.
I'll show you a different one. This is the one where it changes when it hits the wall. Maybe it's that purple one. Yeah, it's that one right there. It changes colors when it hits the wall. Whoa, that's cool.
Can you make it like the sky? This is a naughty computer. Hey, check your Wi-Fi program.
Do you have that one, like, bar?
If you are sound sensitive, you won't make it.
Who's doing
I've done like a bunch of different programs where you can move around guys and stuff. I'm still trying to get the arrow keys to work. I don't know how to do that. I got all the alt keys to work. Right now I'm working on an advancement to missile command for my final project.
Hey, watch this. It's gonna get cool.
It's just fun. There's lots of different commands that you can use to do a bunch of different stuff. And there's still some commands that I don't know of. So
Okay, this is a program that I've made, and I'm still working on it right now, and I haven't gotten it completely done. I'm trying to make it so it'll go even faster than this.
So is this the first time you ever done programming this semester?
Yeah. So I'm kind of a new person.
Alright.
Let's see.
I don't think so.
It's like there's like
Just don't mess with it. Whatever you just, it might. No, don't mess with it. Why? If you do anything with it, your whole disk might get messed up.